Can four best friends outsmart the king of the jungle? Watch closely, because one clever lion is waiting for the perfect chance. In a peaceful green meadow lived four best friends: Bruno, Snow, Rusty, and Spot. They ate together, played together, and went everywhere together. But one day, the lion attacked. The four friends didn't run. In a flash, they stood together, horns out and ready. Do you think the lion could defeat all four friends together? Not a chance. With so many horns facing him, the lion quickly backed away. The lion watched carefully and soon discovered their secret. The four oxen were strong because they always stayed together. So the clever lion made a sneaky plan. One day, when Spot stepped away for a drink, the lion called softly, "Your friends never let you lead, do they? Maybe they don't think you're strong enough." Later, Spot wanted his friends to take a different path. But Bruno walked the other way, and Snow and Rusty followed. Spot's smile faded. Maybe the lion was right, he thought. Maybe they never listened to me. Spot hurried back. "Why do we always follow Bruno?" he asked. Bruno blinked. "What? I thought we were all going this way." "You never even asked me," Spot replied. One small argument became another, and then another. Soon, even Rusty was upset. Snow tried to calm his friends, but no one listened. Oh, can you see what's happening? That's right. The four friends were drifting apart. Soon, each ox went his own way. From the hill above, the lion watched quietly. His plan had worked. Bruno was all alone, and one by one, the lion defeated each ox. Without their friends beside them, none could stop him alone. If only the four friends had stayed together, they could still have been happy and safe in their beautiful meadow. Together, they were strong. But when anger pulled them apart, they lost that strength. And that's why we should always remember, unity is strength. Together, we are stronger.